simple
Seabuck.
We're making a simple. And this is what we're doing. We're getting the dough, and now we're just done making it. Now we're going to put it in the oven.
It should be the size of a golf ball. And you have to poke a hole in it. I think it's so the air gets in.
And when you get, and when it comes out of the oven, and it will look bigger because the oven makes it look bigger. The hotter, bigger.
Yeah. So the
And you gotta punch it.
and you gotta punch it. Punch it. Yeah.
Right now we are making cookies, and my brother is taking out the dough and putting it on the pan. When they are done baking, they're going to look different and flatter. We don't know why.
It's because of
the baking powder.
Benji, good job.
You can do some. You can do some little bit. You can just do a little.
Joanne, what are you
Making
doing?
tiny ones.
I'm eating
Ben, that's too small.
Seabuck.
And then what was he like? And then he was like,
Oh, water. Who am I?
and then what was he like?
He ran away and then he fell.
And then what was he like?
He got booed.
And then what was he like?
I don't know.
Joy, I don't know what he was like. Looked like. He was like that. He was like. Yeah.
Really, I need eating Seabuck.
Oh, I farted on the ground.
That's Joanne.